What if I told you that the biggest delay in your depot isn't maintenance, fueling, or dispatch? It's something most fleet operators never even measure, and fixing it doesn't always require more staff, more space, or more vehicles. Stay until the end because the final point explains why some transport companies are able to move more buses every day using the exact same depot. Most transport companies focus on the obvious costs of running a fleet: fuel, maintenance, insurance, and labor. But there's another cost quietly affecting daily operations that often goes unnoticed: time lost inside the depot. Every bus that finishes its route still has several tasks to complete before it's ready for the next shift. If even one step slows down, every department behind it begins to wait. Drivers finish later, maintenance schedules become tighter, dispatch teams lose flexibility, and what looks like a 5-minute delay on one vehicle can become hours of lost productivity across an entire fleet. This is why leading fleet operators no longer see vehicle washing as a simple cleaning task. They see it as part of the operational flow. The objective isn't just to wash a bus quickly, it's to keep the entire depot moving efficiently. That's where automation changes the conversation. Instead of relying on different operators, varying cleaning quality, and unpredictable waiting times, an automated system creates a consistent process for every vehicle that enters the wash lane. The result isn't simply faster cleaning, it's a smoother workflow that helps every department stay on schedule. Imagine the difference between vehicles lining up, waiting for manual washing, and a structured process where buses enter, are cleaned with repeatable quality, and return to service preparation without unnecessary delays. The impact grows as your fleet grows. Whether you manage 20 buses or 200, consistency becomes more valuable every single day. Another advantage many companies don't expect is operational visibility. When the washing process becomes standardized, it's easier to plan shifts, allocate labor, estimate turnaround time, and prepare vehicles for the next assignment. Instead of reacting to delays, managers gain more control over daily operations. At Go&Go, we believe the real purpose of automation isn't simply to reduce washing time. It's to help transport companies create a depot that operates with greater efficiency, predictability, and professionalism. Because in today's competitive transport industry, speed without consistency creates problems, while consistency with speed creates growth. If your company is looking for ways to improve fleet efficiency without expanding your workforce or increasing operational complexity, it may be time to rethink how your washing process supports the rest of your business. Sometimes the biggest operational improvement starts with the step everyone else overlooks. How many minutes does each vehicle spend inside your depot before it's ready for the next route? Share your current process in the comments or contact Go&Go to explore how a smarter washing solution can help improve your daily operation.